you reach it?
I took it!
Yay! 15 foot.
I can't really cover it.
Should have let me stop the camera before you admitted guilt. I bet you could touch it if you went off that dive.
Yeah.
All right, let's
That
go
dive
get
was 15 feet.
let's go get something to eat.
Is that diving board 15 feet?
Looks like it.
Oh, coming slowly. Dad, is it including these bars?
What?
Including these bars?
No, it's from the diving board where you stand.
Can I do the slide one more time?
Yeah, I think so. You do the slide and I'll tape.